Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of changing your name color in Telegram on PC. Let's dive in. To begin, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, locate and click on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From the menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Chat Settings. Scroll down until you find Theme Settings. Here, you'll find an option to change your name color. Click on it. Choose your desired color from the available options. Once you've selected your new color, click on Apply to save the changes. Now, your chosen color will be applied not only to your name, but also to the links you send and the replies to your messages. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your name color in Telegram on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.